Social media marketing deals with brand awareness, customer engagement, lead generation, and audience insights. It enables companies to connect directly with customers, gather feedback, promote products and services. Hi, I am Stella, an AI service promoter from FiberCrest Outsourcing. We are a digital marketing agency, freelancing training and services provider in Dhaka, Bangladesh. In this video, I am going to introduce you our social media marketing online course details like 1. For whom social media marketing course is designed. 2. Course outlines in brief. 3. Batch timing and course duration. 4. How to get admission. 5. Recent discount and offers on social media marketing course. So keep watching this video until the end. Subscribe the channel to stay updated with our upcoming courses, discounts, and offers. Social media marketing involves using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote products, engage with audiences, and build brand awareness. If you want to be a social media marketing expert, the course is intended for you. No advanced skills are required initially, but basic knowledge of social media platforms, digital marketing concepts, and content creation can be helpful. Analytical skills and creativity are also a plus. However, for freshers, we do cover all the supportive topics also in our social media marketing course design. So let us get into the course details. To know details on our social media marketing course, batch timing, how to get admission, worldwide payment method, etc., you can visit our website FiberCrest.com. In the top menu, select About Us, click on Portfolio. It will open up FiberCrest Portfolio, Courses and Services page. Click on Digital Marketing. Social Media Marketing course is available here. You can click here to see course details. So it is Social Media Marketing Standard Course. Batch timing for this online course appears here. Here is the course contents in brief. Total no of classes is mentioned here. You can check your batch timing here. For admission help, you can reach us on WhatsApp, mentioned here. Payment method for international students is available here. If you need any more information, you can contact our helpline and email. To know about recent discount and offers on our courses, in menu, select Home and visit Discount page. Before making any payment, please contact us at the WhatsApp number available here in this website for your transactional safety. Once your payment is done, you will get admission confirmation message in your email and WhatsApp. Social media marketing has strong career prospects, with opportunities in businesses, agencies, and as freelancers. The future of social media marketing is promising, with increasing reliance on data analytics, AI, and influencer marketing. Skills in these areas, along with emerging platforms, will be crucial for future marketers to stay effective, innovative, and demandful. To know about recent offers and discounts on FiberCrest courses, visit the link provided in the description below this video. For group admission, including minimum 5 persons in a group, you can avail up to % discount on most of the courses. Here in FiberCrest, we are always determined to satisfy your order utmost. For its courses, digital marketing and freelancing services worldwide. To check our recent promotional gifts on any advanced courses by FiberCrest, you can visit the link below this video. Learning social media marketing equips you with skills to create effective campaigns, reach wider audiences, and drive engagement. It's a key strategy in digital marketing, helping brands connect with target audiences. So stay with us and enjoy our IT outsourcing courses and freelancing services. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.